Hey everybody, it's Jenna. So today's video is going to be part of a new series that I'm going to be putting out, and it's called Design Quick Tips. And primarily so far this channel has been centered around web development, but I'm also a web designer and I also know graphic design and UI UX design. And really, design has been my career for the past 5 years now. So today's topic is going to be how to take a small, low-res image and vectorize it. If you're unaware of what a vector graphic is, a vector graphic is made with math. So basically, unlike a raster image where you blow it up and the image gets more pixelated, a vector graphic you can take and expand it to any size and it will not lose resolution or clarity. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to turn a low res image into a vector graphic using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. So I'm re-recording this because I wasn't happy with the original recording, and I figured I'd do it outside because it is 60 degrees out today and there's not a cloud in the sky and the sun feels amazing. I really love spring in New York. When the seasons finally transition from winter to spring, that sun feels amazing. But enough about the weather. Okay, so we have this image here of this sad-looking Frankenstein dude. I don't know why he's so sad, but probably because it's a low-resolution image. That's why Frankenstein is sad. So let's take a look at the image size. It's 57 pixels by 65 pixels at 72 dpi. So that is really a low resolution for an image. And let's bring that into Adobe Illustrator. So now I have it open in Adobe Illustrator, and let's try using the image trace feature. What the image trace feature does is takes a raster photo image and it converts it into a vector image. So as you can see, this looks terrible. The Frankenstein looks even more sad now, and he doesn't even look like a Frankenstein anymore. I don't know what I'm looking at here. So let's close this. And let's go back into Photoshop and let's increase the image size, specifically the resolution. And right now it's at 72 dpi. So you want to make sure that resample is checked. And you want to make sure that is set to preserve details enlargement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the resolution from 72 to 800. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to zoom out. As you can see, it looks pretty pixelated, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file as a TIFF. Okay, so I saved it as a TIFF, and let's go grab that now. And let's open that in Adobe Illustrator. So the reason that I saved it as a TIFF is because a TIFF file does not lose resolution like a JPEG would. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to try to image trace it again. As you can see, that came out much better than the original. Just to compare, we will open the original again. So you can see the difference between the original and the one that I did an up-res on. So basically what the up-res does is it allows more pixels, and that kind of, even though the bigger you blow things up, the more pixelated they get, when you add more pixels, it allows the image trace feature to have more pixels to work with to, to create a vector version of your image. So it does a really good job of doing that, and I think it's a really useful tip that not a lot of people really know about. So if you want to, you could also hit expand, and you can get rid of the white areas. So now you're just left with a cut out image of a head. And if you wanted to, you can even take the smooth tool over here on the side, and you can go in and kind of smooth out the curves a little bit. You know, clean it up, make it look even better. And now you have a nice clear vector image of a sad Frankenstein. That's great. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you out if you have a low-res logo or a low-res icon that you'd like to convert into a vector image. So I hope this helped you out, and if it did, please give me a like, and if it didn't, go ahead and hate and dislike, and leave a comment and let me know if you like these types of videos. Leave it down in the comments. I want to hear from you, and like and share and subscribe. Alright, bye.